Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to The Money Mindset. Today, we're diving into something super important: how to read stock market charts and trends. Charts might look confusing at first, but don't worry. I'm going to break it down so you can see trends like a pro. Watch this video. You'll know how to read a stock chart and understand what it's telling you about the market. So, let's get started. Okay, so here's a basic stock chart. At first, it might just look like a bunch of lines and numbers, but every piece of it tells a story. First, let's talk about the axes. The x-axis at the bottom shows time, days, months, or even years. The y-axis on the side shows the stock price. So, the line on the chart shows how the stock's price changes over time. Now let's talk about trends. If the line is going up over time, that's a bullish trend, meaning the stock price is rising. If it's going down, that's a bearish trend, which means the stock price is falling. Pretty simple, right? Now, you might also see charts that look like this. These are called candlestick charts. Each candle shows how the stock price moved within a specific time frame. The body of the candle shows the opening and closing prices, while the wicks show the highest and lowest prices during that time. A green candle means the stock price went up, while a red candle means it went down. By looking at these candles, you can see how the price is behaving. Here's a tip. When you're just starting, focus on the overall trend first. Is the stock generally moving up, down, or sideways? And remember, no chart can predict the future. It's just a tool to help you understand what's happened so far. And that's it. Now you know the basics of reading stock market charts and trends. It's like learning a new language. It might take some practice, but once you get the hang of it, you'll start seeing patterns and making smarter investing choices. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on personal finance and investing.